solve means you need to find the value for x in each case. So the a bit, 49 power x equal to 7. So here you should observe that the base is 7 here and here the base is 49. So let us write 49 also with the base 7. 49 is nothing but 7 power 2. Power x equal to 7. Now you should observe that one base has got multiple powers. So the rule which you should apply is this one. A power m power n is nothing but a power m into n. One base has got multiple powers, so multiply the powers. So here you get 7 power 2 into x is 2x equal to 7. So now your observation is bases are same. Let us say the power is 1 and you have equal to. So whenever bases are same, you have equal to. The rule which you should apply is this one. A power m equal to a power n. That implies m equal to n. See man, bases are same, equal to could only happen if the powers are also same. So equate the powers. 2x equal to 1. Now to get x, divide by 2. So you get x equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now the next one. See here, 81 power x equal to 3. Observe that the base is 3 here and the base is here 81. So write 81 also with the base 3. For that take LCM of 81. So 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3 is 3 and 1. So 81 is nothing but 3 power what number means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Let us replace it here. So this is 3 power 4 power x equal to 3. Now your observation is 3 has got multiple powers. One base has got multiple powers, so multiply the powers is the result. So this will be 3 power 4 into x is 4x equal to 3 power 1. Now here you see the bases are same and you have equal to between them. So bases are same, equal to between them will indicate that powers should also be same. So 4x equal to 1, equating the powers. Now to get x, divide by 4. You get x equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Now the next one. 343 power x equal to 7. Your observation here is base is 7 and here the base is 343. So let us rewrite 343 also with the base 7. For that we should take LCM. So 343 LCM is starting with 7, 4, 9, then 7 sevens and 7 ones. So 343 is nothing but 7 power what number means 1, 2, 3. 7 power 3. So let us replace it there. So 7 power 3 power x equal to 7 power 1. Now your observation is number 7 has got more than one power or multiple powers. Whenever one base has got multiple powers, result is multiply the powers. So here you get 7 power 3 into x, 7 power 3x and here 7 power 1. Now your observation is bases are same and you have equal to between them. Bases are same, equal to means the rule is powers should also be same. So equate the powers. Here the power is 3x equal to 1. Now to get x, divide by 3. So this gets cancelled, you get x equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now the next one. 216 power x equal to 6. So here your observation is the base is 6 here and here the base is 216. So let us rewrite 216 also with the base 6. For that we take LCM of 216. So if I take here 216, I want 6 to be the base, so I am starting with 6. 36 I get here 6, 6, 6 and 1. So 216 is nothing but 6 power what number means 1, 2, 3. So 6 power 3. Rewrite here 6 power 3 power x equal to 6 power 1. Now observe that the number 6 has got multiple powers. Whenever one base has got multiple powers, result is multiply the powers. So here also 6 power 3 into x is 3x equal to 6 power 1. Now your observation is bases are same and you have equal to between them. So rule is this one. Bases are same, you have equal to. That means the powers should also be same. So equate the powers. So you get 3x equal to 1. Now to get x, divide by 3. So x equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Clear with this entire thing?